Are you of African, Caribbean, or Afro-Latino heritage and living in Cuba? Then this is your invitation to join something powerful, the Cuba Business Alliance for the Diaspora. This is a growing community designed to help you turn your ideas into real businesses, smart investments, and long-term opportunities that can change your future. As a member, you are not alone. We help promote your business, connect you with real customers, and support you in starting or scaling your venture with practical guidance that works in the real world. You also join a strong network of students, professionals, and entrepreneurs across more than 70 industries, giving you access to partnerships, market insights, and proven growth opportunities. Beyond that, you can take part in collaborative business projects across Africa and the diaspora, opening doors to equity opportunities and potential monthly income streams. This is more than a network, it's a launch pad for serious growth, collaboration, and financial empowerment. To join, visit joingbe.com, go to associations, find the Cuba Business Alliance for the Diaspora, and become part of the movement today.